Hey guys, Train Buddy here. Just Chris, no Mike today. He is at the movies with his cousins and his grandparents. I was not planning on doing any rail fanning. I'm actually just on my way back from a doctor's appointment, and saw a green light, green signal down on Kentucky 17. Then I saw the engines right behind it. So I managed to get ahead of it. I'm up here at the road crossing on Independence Station Road in Independence, Kentucky. CSX line is the old L&N short line between Cincinnati and Louisville. The train should be here any moment. Stay tuned, like, subscribe. Thanks for watching. We appreciate you guys. I'll have a train here for you in just a moment. Stay tuned. I see the headlights. And there goes the gates. Headed southbound on the old L&N line. The old L&N short line between Cincinnati and Louisville. Michael and his brother Aaron and our neighbor Noah were out rail fanning this line yesterday, just half a mile from here. And struck out. They didn't see anything. I wasn't going rail fanning today, but got a little redemption for them. Saw the green light down the hill while I was on 17, and then saw the engine coming. I had to get ahead of it a little bit so I could get stopped. Some closer crossings to where I saw it, but I couldn't quite get ahead of it in time. So here we are at Independence Station in Independence, Kentucky. Mixed freight. That autorack's loaded with some cars. I can hear the horn again. That means this train front end is just getting to Wolsing Nature Preserve. That's where Michael and Aaron were rail fanning yesterday. Oh my gosh, what do we got here? Is that Maggie Simpson? Holy cow, it is. How about that? Oh, what a catch. My gosh, what a lucky day. Oh, that's great. It's hilarious. We love the Simpsons at our house. What was that? And we got a GT. We got a GT auto rack. So there's I do appreciate some good street art or train graffiti. Some of it's just not that great. And granted, it is trespassing, it is destruction, and it is vandalism. I do appreciate some of it. Some of it's really good. And that Maggie Simpson, oh, here we go, Conrail. The Maggie Simpson one, that was pretty cool. Oh, we got a Conrail boxcar too. Sweet. There's also a Homer Simpson auto rack and a Marge Simpson's auto rack. I didn't know there was a Maggie out there. That's pretty cool. I caught it. This same line caught a Snake Jailbird auto rack. There's a short of that one out there on our channel. So yeah, Simpsons graffiti, fun to see. All right, here comes the end. And that's it for me. I gotta get back to the office, finish out this work day. Thanks for watching. Train Buddies out.